Hey folks, this is Richard from Branson Outdoor Center, and today I am at the Powersite Dam in Forsyth. It is only a short 30-minute drive east from Branson. I am here because of my last video I did on a sub-zero day at the Branson Landing, talking about a freeze on Lake Taneycomo in 1937, and how the locals went ice skating, and how it was made possible by the Powersite Dam. This dam was built by the Ozark Power and Water Company, currently Empire Electric, in 1913, and was the first hydroelectric dam in Missouri, located on the White River. It is 1,300 foot long and 70 foot tall, producing 16 megawatts at 60 hertz. The project was a tremendous asset for the local economy, creating over 1,000 jobs, which in 1913 would have been a big deal. Most of the workers lived at the dam site due to transportation limitations. They and their family were housed in tents, cottages, and bunkhouses. Their settlement was known as Camp Ozark and included an on-site store, a commissary, and eventually a school for the workers' children. We are standing here at the base, which can be accessed from the north on Highway Y out of Forsyth or south through River Run Park. We are looking at the area named the Pothole on Bull Shoals Lake, where the depth and entry waters create an amazing fishing spot. There are many species of fish that can be found here, including largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, rainbow trout, brown trout, walleye, crappie, stripers, white bass, spotted bass, yellow perch, catfish, buffalo, and many others. In fact, the state record walleye weighing over 21 pounds was caught here, as well as the state record striper weighing over 65 pounds. And even a couple of my friends have caught a few stripers over 50 pounds from this very location. If fishing isn't your cup of tea, this area also has Empire Park, located at the top of the dam on the shores of Lake Taneycomo. So follow me and let's take a look. So now I'm standing at the entrance to Empire Park, which features a playground, restrooms, a picnic pavilion, fishing piers, boat ramps, and even a 34-hole disc golf course, which I will be doing a full video for you on a future episode. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the new adventures I will introduce you to. Thanks for watching, guys.